You're welcome to Karma Studios. This is Karma Edu. Abusuya, for the very first time in Ghana educational history, primary schools and as a basic schools now they're going to have mid-term a break for a basic schools for both staffer and then students. And then I just guidance somewhere this platform. Follow this page and make sure to follow this page for more exciting news and more trending news about your education, your entertainment, and your political issues. Now, it is very simple. Since Ghana Education Service it was established in over years ago. This is the very first time in history a basic schools and primary level a mid-semester break on a year 31st October. Now, November 3rd. And 31st October is very is holiday, and at the same time Monday, that is 3rd November. And so a holiday now. My main can enjoy Ghana Education Service for the 2015 time. So I for was say basic schools will for the first time observe a mid-term break on Friday 31st October and Monday 3rd November as already captured on the academic calendar. There will be no school session for both staff and students on these days. They are to take these holidays to rest, refresh, and then re-energize for the remaining part of the term. Daniel Fenyi on the APRO Edema Ghana Education Service. Abusia, said them nigga kaya no. A big currency where Ghana Education System numuda for the very first time. You must a year primary level schools. I'm to me a year mid semester break. Now I'm to me a akojo mahomena or majo mahomena. Now uchuma years a chumwa. We no sa break we na bujamu de momo se omukota na so na monjo mahome na adweno en refresh adwene ntimi na kakra na ntimi kaka ni mo yesuesu na afi so awode fufron samre ni padwanum ni adwene mu se de be ya se eye break no eko na se ye school on Tuesday, that is on the 4th November. Bones abafan were very active because they say watena fie wagena home wo hu de ekoso na afi so body no so I fully relax we GS abusia and some of the to dwa na menka emfanye adibia abusia. This year 2025 coming now, things on the education system has sunk into the good level. I feel like say that is really good. And it happening from a Haruna Iddrusu from a haircut style like just say Uku Square UT and once and by and everyone was talking about it. We just said okay, we be share your opinion on the internet. One or more amount man posting on almost to mention my for videos comment section. I say now I'm so much to say say okay against the motion for the motion and it be most of the no. From there course 1 to a unpaid nurses and so some. Now let's talk about education. The education, you know, BC we saw changes, WASI we saw changes, and then when it comes to this year WASI, the BC for the day we have done with them. We see and most of them are in school right now. Now let's talk about the WASI. WASI, you know, almost examination irregularities here. We say afibia so WASI na more funny bias what they bob poor the and you may be say also the examination or na busi to me the room ebusu to me the phone send that day you may be just a tiamra during the examination time no. Yes say chewa amadi website via bar BC for the access your media atwam is your do WASI for no. So almost say make sure to go and then verify your name. If your name is part of a more say involved in examination irregularities, no. So within more you are safe, but keep on checking. System need fully updated each and every time. To make sure you keep on checking to see whether your name is part of the name of the candidate and I say the student are sure during the examination more practice. If you are one for you may feel like say one for BB inside, but when you say and you may it may happen. Yes, unfortunately, it may sure say go and check your name. Maybe a link you know able to me buy you on TikTok na so video no say me show link no so that be able to me open or browser be use Safari, Chrome, any browser I use or phone so be an what me access any what say we dig kan one say we dig kan home. When it comes to your education and I will bring any news and any trending news. I did very course on the social media space ni be hana on sabe canon for the very first time, very legit and at the correct time. Most also you follow this page, also you subscribe to our platform on YouTube. Now Facebook be share Karma Studios be another share now if you are for most when you be hi Karma Studios and I go by the name Sticky the Superstar. See you in the next episode of videos and I'm finally out.